Welcome to Appliance Codes, your trusted source for appliance repair tips and guides. In today's video, we'll cover the F5E2 error code on your Whirlpool Cabrio washer. This error code indicates a problem with the lid lock assembly, meaning the washer's control board is detecting that the lid lock is not functioning correctly, either due to a mechanical issue or an electrical fault. What causes the F5E2 error code? The F5E2 error code can be triggered by a few different issues. Faulty lid lock assembly. The most common cause of the F5E2 error code is a malfunctioning lid lock assembly. This can be due to wear and tear, damage, or a defect in the part. Wiring issues. Loose or damaged wires connecting the lid lock to the control board can prevent the lock from functioning properly, leading to the error code. Control board malfunction. In rare cases, the control board itself may be faulty, incorrectly detecting an issue with the lid lock when there is none. How to troubleshoot the F5E2 error code. Let's walk through the steps to troubleshoot and repair this error code. Reset the washer. Start by attempting a reset. Unplug the washer from the power outlet for at least 1 minute. After plugging it back in, try running a cycle to see if the error persists. Inspect the lid lock assembly. Open the washer lid and inspect the lid lock assembly. Look for any visible damage or debris that might be obstructing the lock. If the lock appears damaged, it will likely need to be replaced. Check the wiring. Disconnect the washer from power and remove the top panel to access the wiring connected to the lid lock assembly. Ensure all wires are securely connected and check for any signs of damage or wear. If you find any loose or damaged wires, reconnect or replace them as necessary. How to replace the lid lock assembly. If your troubleshooting has determined that the lid lock assembly is faulty, follow these steps to replace it. Order the replacement part. You will need a new lid lock assembly compatible with your Whirlpool Cabrio washer. The part number for this component is usually W10810403, but confirm compatibility with your specific model. Unplug the washer. Ensure the washer is disconnected from the power source to avoid electrical shock. Remove the top panel. Using a screwdriver, remove the screws securing the top panel of the washer. Lift the panel to access the lid lock assembly. Disconnect the old lid lock. Locate the lid lock assembly and disconnect the wiring harness connected to it. Unscrew the mounting screws holding the lid lock in place and remove it from the washer. Install the new lid lock. Position the new lid lock assembly where the old one was located and secure it with the mounting screws. Reconnect the wiring harness to the new lid lock. Reassemble the washer. Lower the top panel back into place and secure it with the screws you removed earlier. Test the washer. Plug the washer back into the power outlet and run a test cycle to ensure the F5E2 error code is resolved and the new lid lock is functioning correctly. By following this guide, you should be able to diagnose and fix the F5E2 error code on your Whirlpool Cabrio washer. Whether the issue is with the lid lock assembly, wiring, or control board, these steps will help you restore your washer to full working order. If you're unsure about any part of the process or need further assistance, don't hesitate to reach out to us for help. Thanks for watching. Visit appliancecodes.com for more appliance repair guides and troubleshooting tips. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.